Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best facial kits is probably one of the most sought-after beauty essentials for anyone looking to achieve that salon-fresh glow right in the comfort of their own home, offering a convenient and often cost-effective way to pamper your skin with a comprehensive range of treatments designed to cleanse, exfoliate, nourish, and rejuvenate, transforming your complexion from dull and tired to radiant and revitalized with minimal effort and maximum impact, making it an indispensable addition to your self-care routine. Number 5. Pure Daily Care NanoSteamer. Discover the revolutionary NanoSteamer, a new generation of facial steamer designed to elevate your skincare routine. It harnesses advanced technology to deliver unparalleled results. Experience up to 10 times more effective skin penetration thanks to its unique nano-ionic steam. This allows for deeper hydration and a more radiant complexion. Achieve flawless skin with the included 5-piece stainless steel kit. Effortlessly remove blackheads and blemishes for a professional spa-like treatment at home. This device is more than just a facial steamer, it also functions as a room humidifier and a towel warmer. Enjoy ultimate refreshment and convenience tailored to your wellness needs. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of continuous, silent operation with its large 200 milliliters water tank. It's designed for a full-size, professional experience without the noise. Its intelligent auto shut-off sensor ensures safety by powering down when the water runs out. This thoughtful feature provides peace of mind during use. What we like? This device offers advanced nano-ionic steam technology for deeper skin penetration. It also functions as a humidifier and towel warmer, providing versatile spa-like experiences at home. If you're looking for a multifunctional device that offers a professional facial treatment and can also humidify your room, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The steam starts up almost immediately and provides a really steady, warm mist that helps clear everything out. It feels much more effective than just standing in a hot shower, and the temperature stays consistent the whole time. It is very simple to fill and clean, which is a big plus when you are already feeling under the weather and don't want to mess with anything complicated. The water tank lasts plenty long enough for a full session to actually get some relief. Heats up fast, produces a lot of steam, and leaves my skin feeling clean and refreshed. Super easy to use and the large tank lasts a long time. Number 4. Clean Skin Club Clean Towels XL. Introducing Clean Towels XL, your new go-to for a gentle yet effective cleanse. These ultra-soft towels are designed for ultimate comfort and superior cleaning power. Crafted with 100% USDA bio-based materials, they are perfect for sensitive skin. They are even accepted by the Eczema Association, ensuring a safe and soothing experience. Effortlessly remove makeup and impurities with these convenient dry wipes. They provide a quick and easy way to refresh your skin anytime, anywhere. Experience the ultra-soft texture that feels luxurious against your skin. Being disposable, they offer a hygienic solution for your daily skincare routine. This convenient pack contains 50 count of these versatile towels. Enjoy the perfect balance of quality and quantity for your cleansing needs. What we like? These are ultra-soft, disposable face towels made from USDA bio-based materials. They are gentle enough for sensitive skin and accepted by the Eczema Association. If you prioritize hygiene, have sensitive skin, or are looking for a convenient makeup remover that reduces laundry, these are a great option. What people say. They feel fresh and clean on my skin and the quality of the towels is top-notch. They don't tear easy at all, and they have a pleasant clean scent and feel. They are so absorbent on my face and get all of the moisture and leave me feeling fresh and clean. They definitely remove makeup gently and make cleansing my face a positive experience. They add moisture and are of great quality, no ripping or falling apart. I notice my skin feels much softer and less dry. These are an absolute need in my skincare routine. I use them to remove oil-based and water-based cleansers and to remove masks. They are very good quality and very soft. They are also thick and very durable. They have a smoother side and a textured side for very gentle exfoliation. I also love the new magnetic lid closure and the new design of the box. You can now have your face towels fully covered and sealed without having to buy a separate box with lid to put them in. Number 3. Tiege Hanley Men's Essential Skin Care System Level 1. Tired of complicated skincare routines? We've got you covered with a simple, effective system designed just for men. Get ready for healthier, more hydrated skin with ease. Start your day right with our daily face wash and facial scrub. These powerful yet gentle formulas cleanse and exfoliate, preparing your skin for the day ahead. Our moisturizer with SPF provides essential hydration while protecting your skin from harmful UV rays. Keep your face looking its best all day long. As you rest, our night cream works to repair and rejuvenate your skin. Wake up feeling refreshed and looking revitalized. This 4-piece kit is everything you need for healthy, hydrated skin. Experience the Tiege Hanley difference and simplify your grooming routine. Achieve your best skin ever with our expertly crafted system. It's designed for men who want results without the fuss. What we like. This set is designed specifically for men, offering a simple yet effective 4-step skincare routine. It includes a daily face wash, facial scrub, moisturizer with SPF, and a night cream. If you are a man looking for an easy-to-follow, comprehensive skincare system to achieve healthy and hydrated skin, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Clears up any possible bumps and cleans my face nicely. Skin is soft and even some dark marks clear up. The AM one has SPF, which is a must for me, and the PM one is super hydrating without being greasy. My skin definitely improved over the 2 to 6 week mark. I was impressed with how everything felt on my skin, especially the face wash. Number 2. ZealSea 7-Day Facial Sheet Mask Set. Unveil radiant skin with our 7-Day Facial Sheet Mask Set. Designed for deep hydration, it's your daily dose of self-care. Experience intense moisture that leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. This set is perfect for achieving a healthy, hydrated complexion. Achieve a natural glow with our carefully selected ingredients. It's formulated to enhance your skin's radiance and vitality. Elevate your daily routine with this luxurious self-care experience. Treat yourself to a moment of pampering and rejuvenation. Share the joy of glowing skin with loved ones. It's a wonderful way to create special moments for family and friends. Gentle yet effective, our masks are suitable for all skin types. Enjoy a safe and nourishing skincare experience. What we like. This is a variety set of 7-day facial sheet masks, perfect for deep hydration and achieving a glowing complexion. It's suitable for all skin types and makes a great gift for teens and adults alike. If you enjoy trying different mask formulations for daily self-care or are looking for a fun, hydrating gift, this set is ideal. What people say. We have used 3 so far and we have not experienced any breakouts or irritation to the skin. The girls were able to apply them by themselves without my help. Great size and quality. My daughter says these are very soft on her skin and gives her a moisturizing feel. Doesn't irritate her skin at all and fit her face perfectly. Number 1. MAREE Collagen Facial Mask with Hyaluronic Acid. Discover the ultimate hydration with our collagen facial mask. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it deeply moisturizes your skin. Experience the power of Centella asiatica and algae extracts. These natural ingredients work together to soothe and revitalize your complexion. This sheet mask is designed to deliver intense hydration, leaving your skin feeling plump and refreshed. It's the perfect addition to your skincare routine. Formulated for women's skincare needs, it provides a gentle yet effective way to achieve a healthier-looking glow. Enjoy a spa-like experience at home. Each pack contains 6 masks, ensuring you have a consistent supply of nourishment for your face. Reveal your most radiant skin yet. What we like. These sheet masks are infused with collagen and hyaluronic acid to deeply hydrate and nourish the skin. They also contain Centella asiatica and algae extracts known for their soothing properties. If you are looking for a hydrating mask that also offers anti-aging benefits and calms the skin, these are a wonderful choice for a pampering session. What people say. Use these once a week and watch your face glow. I can't believe how moisturizing these are, especially in the winter months. Leave on for 2 hours. When you take it off, your skin is smooth as glass. Fills in fine lines and makes my skin so soft, smooth and with a dewy finish. Use it about once a week. Results are immediately visible. The masks are generously saturated with the nourishing serum, and they adhere snugly to the contours of the face. I appreciated the thoughtful design that ensured a comfortable fit, allowing me to go about my routine while treating my skin to a spa-like experience. After just one use, my skin felt noticeably smoother, plumper, and incredibly hydrated. The fine lines around my eyes and mouth seemed to diminish, leaving behind a youthful glow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.